Wangari Maathai Mama Trees Part 1 Wangari Maathai was born in 1940 in a small village in Kenya. Green trees covered the land. Families grew food in small gardens. A little river brought clean water to the village. Women and children picked figs and other fruit from the trees. They used wood to make fires for cooking. Wangari loved her green and beautiful home. When Wangari grew older, she went away to school. She studied in the United States and in Germany. Wangari Maathai Mama Trees Part 2 When Wangari came back to Kenya, the land was very different. The family gardens had gone. The trees had gone. The sun had dried the earth. The wind had blown away the soil. The little river was dry. The people in Wangari's village now worked for a big company. They grew tea that was sold to people in other countries. Women and children walked a long way to get clean water and firewood. Wangari felt very sad. What could she do to help? An idea came to her. She would plant trees. Kenya could become green and beautiful again. Wangari took seeds from trees. She planted the seeds in her garden. She watched them and watered them. The seeds grew into little trees. Wangari Maathai Mama Trees Part 3 Wangari gave the little trees to the women and children in her village. Together they planted rows and rows of little trees. Every day the women and children watered the trees. The trees grew. Soon there were figs and other fruits to eat. There was clean water in the little rivers. There was wood for fires to cook food. When we plant trees, we plant the seeds of peace and hope, said Wangari. People all over Africa planted trees. They wanted to do the same as Wangari. Millions of trees were planted. People named Wangari Mama Trees. She became very famous. Little things make a big difference, said Wangari. My little thing is planting